Welcome to my channel Esteems Tech. In this video, we are going to talk about bag of words model. This is a text representation technique. While implementing this, we have to first tokenize the text. We will tokenize the text to words and then we will apply counter class to count the tokens. Come, let's learn together. Bag of words. It's a text representation technique. It represents the text as bag of words while ignoring order and context. More frequent a word is, more important it might be. So for this, we need to first create tokens using tokenization, then using the counter class in the collections module, count up all the tokens, right? So this is an example. Here we are given with the text. The text is the cat is in the box, the cat likes the box is over the cat. So you can see here more, we are talking about cat in all the three sentences. Right, so for this, firstly, we have to tokenize it, then we have to count all the tokens and count the occurrence of every token. So for this, we need to import firstly word tokenize from nltk.tokenize, then we have to import counter from collections, right? So here we are using variable bag of words. In this, you can see here, firstly, we have to firstly tokenize it using word tokenize method, and we are passing text within the parenthesis as an argument to this function. So firstly, it will tokenize the text, the given text, and then we are applying counter function over this word tokenize method. Once we tokenize it, we have to apply the counter method so that we can count the tokens, the occurrence of the tokens. Then you can see here we have printed bag of words. You can see here in first two lines, bag of words is like the 3 times, cat 3 times, the 3 times, box 3 times, is 2 times, then all the other words as well, right? So at the end you can see we have used print statement again, bag of words dot most common to. We have used the function most common, two most common tokens or bag of words we want to print. So these are here in the third line of output. We have used 3 times the in the sentence. We are given the 3 times the in the sentence, then 3 times cat. So here we can just make a guess that the sentence or the text is about cat. Although there are some shortcomings that we will discuss in other videos. So here is a question. Import counter from collections. Use word tokenize to split the article into tokens. Use a list comprehension with T as an iterator variable to convert all the tokens into lowercase. The lower method converts text into lowercase. Create a bag of words counter called BOW underscore simple by simply using counter with lower tokens as the argument. Use a most common method of bow simple to print the 10 most common tokens. So this is the question. You can pause the video and you can try the question on your own. And here is a solution. Right? So for this, we have to import two packages. First one is from collection, we need to import counter, and for to we have to import word tokenize as well from nltk.tokenize library, right? So here you can see I had already imported the word tokenize method, but here you can import both on your side, right? So tokenize the article using token. So token is a variable here. I'm tokenizing the article. Article is given. You can take any article. You can copy article from Wikipedia, like 2-3 paragraphs from Wikipedia, and you can paste it in your Jupyter notebook, and you can enclose within quotes, and you can assign that article to article variable. So this is the article variable that I have used here. So here I am converting tokens to lowercase. Once I have tokenized my article to words using word tokenize method, and here this is lower tokens. Here I'm using list comprehension for T in tokens. T is iterator variable, so all the words one by one. So all the words it is going to take and it will convert it to lowercase, right? So then create a counter with lowercase tokens. Then bow symbol is a variable that contains counter method, and within the parenthesis as an argument I'm passing lower tokens. Lower tokens is nothing but the lowercase tokens, right? So here and then we are printing 10 most common tokens. So the 10 most common tokens here are these. You can see in the output. So the 45 times dot, the comma 35 times, off 24 times, and 23 times, dot 19 times, is 12 times, Canada 10 times, a 9 times. Now you can just imagine that the article might be about Canada because all other words are kind of stop words here. We will remove them in next video. Like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. We are so thankful that you are supporting us.